Hello, welcome to Walton-On-Thames in Surrey, and we're going to have a photo walk today and just take some photos and see what we can find along the way. We just come underneath Walton Bridge. It's in the heart of Surrey, and we're just going to look for some subjects, feed some birds, see if we can get some nice fast action swan shots and all that, and just look around for different subjects to photograph. So welcome to Walton-On-Thames. Let's go.
That was all done.
This is Walton Marina. What a lovely day. And we're going to feed lots of swans and see if we can get some nice fast photos of some splashing water droplets. And then we'll have a longer walk, get a coffee, just chill out. Go away. Ow! Oi! Not if you're going to bite. No, it's not going to happen, mate. That is really naughty. We've got a bad one here. Definitely a black sheep. Just give me a little bite. Well, we've got a few nice photos of the swans. I think what we'll do is we're going to have a walk along the other, back underneath Walton Bridge, and we go to what's known as the Desford Cut, and we can stand on the bridge and have a good view of the river from down below, and we'll take some photos up there as well. So this is just basically just a day out by by the river at Walton. I've been here for such a long time, and I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. There's no real photographic tips today, maybe just a few ideas or visualize, yeah, and a visual look as well. Can't get my words quite right at the moment. So yeah, we'll head down to the other way, go under the bridge, walk round. It's just gorgeous, clouds are lovely. I put the camera in a high burst mode today to try and get some of those lovely water droplets coming off the beak of the swans and that. But I might change the lens, put something else on a little bit later. But it's just a nice day to take it easy and enjoy the fresh air. So let's go. Look at these lovely clouds. Gorgeous, aren't they? So this is Walton Bridge, and this opened in the year 2013, and the only reason I mention that is that it opened on July the 22nd, which was my birthday. I like this bridge. I used to fish this river a lot back in the 70s and 80s. There's a lot of very, very big fish in here. You've got pike, perch, bream, tench, carp, roach, wels, which is a catfish, and it's quite deep out there as well. Oh, it's a glorious day, absolutely beautiful. Let's walk on a bit further. Yeah, I wonder why. I think they're after my bread. It's alright, don't worry about it. Lovely day, isn't it? Well, no, they're after the bread in the bag. Oh yeah, yeah, there's always something. Bye. Oh my goodness me, look at them. Ooh. Gosh, there's a nice composition. We use this tree look as a frame. You have to drop down a bit. You don't want too much of the tree in the picture. That's quite a nice shot.